Good afternoon, Dave. What can I do for you?
Hi, I'm just here for my hearing checkup.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Can you imagine living with one of those impairments for the rest of your life? Think about some of the things outside work that might be affected.
Happy birthday to you.
It's quite serious. Let's have a look at how your hearing's going. I'll do a few tests, then we can have a chat about it. There are a few things you can do if you're struggling to hear someone who is a metre away, or you have any pain or ringing in your ears. That's a pretty good indicator that you need to get your hearing checked.
Hi Dave, it's my first day here and my supervisor suggested I wear Class 5 hearing protection for the next job. Can you show me which of these items of hearing protection is Class 5?
You should make sure that you inspect your hearing protection regularly. Make sure that your earmuffs remain as dry as possible. Clean the cushions frequently, or whenever they need it. Some earmuffs have replaceable cushions, so you should replace these if you feel they're not as effective as they should be. With earplugs, always follow the manufacturer's guidelines. You can find these on the earplug packets or on dispensers. When fitting earplugs, make sure you have clean hands before you roll them, and never reuse disposable earplugs.
Good work today, Dave. You completed all your tasks safely and without damaging your hearing.
Thanks. It's not that difficult to do the right thing, and I know how important it is to protect your hearing.